Does it ever seem strange to you how some people can fly first class for free or stay in fancy hotels? I promise that the ways you learn to use credit cards to save money on your trip will change the way you travel for good. Greetings from First Class Hacks. You've come to the right place if you want free flights, excellent rooms, and VIP upgrades. I will show you how to start travel hacking in 5 simple steps in this video. To learn how to make the most of your money and avoid costly mistakes, watch the video. Hacking your way through a trip is more of a strategy than a trick or swindle. In order to attract clients, credit card companies provide incentives, and astute travelers take advantage of these offers to fund their trips. What is the significance? Because many might be saved. Depending on your tax situation, a $5,000 first-class ticket might end up costing you as little as $5. Anyone may achieve this with regular purchases, not just frequent travelers. Therefore, you are missing out on potential savings if you have not yet begun travel hacking. Understanding your credit score is the first step toward trip hacking. If your credit score is 700 or higher, you can qualify for most premium travel cards. If your score isn't already high, follow these steps to increase it. 1. The most important thing is to always pay your payments on time. 2. Maintain a credit usage rate of less than 30%. 3. Limit the number of accounts you open simultaneously. Getting the greatest travel rewards is as simple as having a high credit score. Travel credit cards come in all shapes and sizes, so choose one that fits your lifestyle perfectly. Consider cards like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Capital One Venture One if you're just starting out. They're simple to use and have no annual fee. When you're ready to take the next step, consider premium options like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Gold. These cards come with fantastic sign-up bonuses and excellent travel perks, including lounge access and insurance. Here's a helpful tip. Pick a card that offers rewards in the categories where you spend the most, such as groceries, dining, or travel. The quickest method to gain points is via sign-up incentives. If you spend a certain amount within 3 months, you may earn tens of thousands of points with several cards. For instance, 60,000 points could earn you a round-trip trip to Europe. Keep your spending in check to get these benefits. On the contrary, 1. Make regular purchases including groceries and payments using the card. 2. Make large pre-planned purchases like appliances if possible. 3. Collaborate with loved ones to divide expenses. They may repay you, and you can charge their card. Making it to the bonus round is a huge accomplishment. Earning points with your normal spending should be your goal after the sign-up incentive. Now here's the catch. You may earn 3 times as many points for eating out or 5 times as many points for travel with most credit cards. Spend in accordance with these areas to get the most out of your money. Plus, you should never ever pay more than the minimum per month. Avoid accruing interest at all costs. Doing so would be counterproductive to your trip hacking efforts. Moving on, let's discuss turning points as they pertain to travel. You may get better prices on flights by using your credit card's reward system or transferring points to airline partners. For instance, 25,000 points could cover a $500 airfare. Use hotel loyalty programs like Marriott Bonvoy or Hilton Honors to get free stays or room upgrades. Never forget to figure out how much your points are worth. To guarantee you're receiving the greatest value, aim for 1.5 cents for each point. Make sure you don't make these 3 blunders before you get in. 1. Keep your balance low. Interest will deplete your prizes quickly. 2. Applying for many cards simultaneously might have a negative impact on your credit score. 3. Keep points from expiring. Ensure you remain organized and redeem them before their expiration. You can remain one step ahead of the competition and maximize your benefits by following these guidelines. Here you go, 5 simple steps to kick off your journey with credit card travel hacking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. So where are you thinking of going first with your points? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy your hacking adventures.